Model, 2018 Citroen Berlingo 850 En-Prise Bluehdi Euro 6 ULEZ Nunrunner. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 110,132. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FDB. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, turns over really slowly. Suspect the engine is ready to seize, and will need repairing or replacing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,995. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111